Sometimes your teacher might post an assignment inside of Schoology that is not a Cameo assignment, it's not a Google Drive assignment, it's not a discussion, it's just a regular assignment they're posting inside of Schoology, and they're looking for some sort of a response from you. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and open up this assignment, and the directions will be written there from my teacher. Okay, I would need to read through these directions and make sure that I understand them. And it's a little misleading because students tend to see this comment box down here and they think that that's where they need to write their response. These comments are comments back to your teacher. Now, the commenting may be turned off by your teacher, and that's okay. But if you happen to see that comment box down there, that is not where we are submitting our assignment. Instead, look in the right-hand sidebar over here where it says Submissions. This button that says Submit Assignment is where I'll go in order to post my response. So in this case, they want me to record a selfie video, okay, and answer some questions over here. So we're going to take a look at how this can be done. When you click Submit Assignment, it's going to give you a few options here, okay? I can upload something that I had previously created, whether it's a file, or whether I do an audio or a video recording. So right there is where I would go in and I would create, in this case, a video file because they wanted a selfie. All right, selfie video. So I would go ahead and click audio and video. When I do, it's going to prompt me to allow my webcam and my microphone, and I would need to allow that, and it'll let me go ahead and create my video and submit it. Because my webcam is already being used for creating this video, it's not going to allow me to actually demonstrate that for you. But it will walk you through the steps as soon as you click that button. So I'm going to go ahead and just close that because I want to show you that even if we're not doing either audio or video, there's a few extra options here because sometimes they just might want you to type in a response. So in this case, I'm using the tabs across the top. I was on the Upload tab, which that would be where you needed to record audio or video. But in this case, I'm going to click Create, and here I have a rich text editor. So I could go ahead and type in my response here. I would go ahead and type that all in. I have all of the editing that I would need, bolding, italicizing, underlining. I can center, left align, all those different types of things, changing colors. I can insert links. I want you to notice here that sometimes your teachers may ask you to find images online that they want you to insert. In that case, I would insert image or media. All right. Notice all the choices here, links, symbols, equations, okay, latex. I have Google Drive resource app. In this case, if I needed to upload something that I had saved inside of my Google Drive. Now realize that if I needed to do that, I would need to give Google Drive authorization or give Schoology authorization to access my Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to just close that. Typically, you only need to do that once or after things have been updated. Okay, so if it's your first time doing it, it will have you do that. You can insert tables, there's spell check, all these different things. Okay, changing your font and size. All right. Notice that you can save it as a draft and come back to it later, so your work is not lost if you don't get it done all in one sitting. And then we also have resources. Here also I could pull something in from Google Drive. Okay, so that looks very familiar. In this case though, because I'm not able to submit a video, I'm just going to use the Create tab and I'm going to go ahead and submit. So whether I had made a video or whether I just went ahead and typed in my response, that would be how I would go ahead and submit. And on the right hand side here, now I see that my assignment has been submitted on time. Okay. Here I would see a grade for my teacher if, or once that assignment has been graded, I would receive a grade there.